Hello everyone, this is Dave Noble from the National Weather Service Missoula. We're looking at 4 phases to the upcoming weather this weekend into next week. We're starting off with snow and freezing rain potential across the region. We have snow squalls on Saturday, general I-90 south, and then you have snow showers. Then you have an Arctic cold front moving through on Sunday with some moderate snow in places. The 4th phase would be moisture with the Arctic, and then you could also have some heavy mountain snow as well. Just looking at the snow levels across the region, they're going to creep up a little bit into Friday, then they're going to drop on Saturday and stay low through the weekend into next week. As far as highs and lows, generally going to warm into the 30s and 40s next 2 days. Then we're going to cool off over the weekend. Then the Arctic air mass moves in here, especially by Monday, with highs in the teens and 20s in western Montana. We're looking at highs in the 30s in north central Idaho. As far as how cold this Arctic will be, we're not really expecting very cold, but some of the places along the divide could be below 0 at times, single digits. This is looking at the range of total liquid for the Friday-Saturday system, and it's a pretty moist system. So the mountains could get 1 to 2 feet of snow. Along the Idaho-Montana border, it could be snowing pretty hard at times Friday afternoon and evening at Lookout Pass, Lolo Pass. Also, we're looking at enough moisture to produce ice accretion from freezing rain, and that's why we've issued some winter storm warnings, especially for northwest Montana. Just wanted to put a little plug for our webpage. It's weather.gov/MSO for like Missoula. MSO. So this shows our weather stories, and you can click on each one to look at more information. There's the box and whiskers for the snowfall for select areas, and then here's our Arctic weather story. And then if you could show the caption, you can read what was written for that one. If you scroll down, you can see our map across the area. All these pinks are winter storm warnings, and if you wanted to get more information, you can left click on this, and you can see that there's multiple highlights out. If you want to click on like the winter storm watch, that's for the Arctic, you can click on that one, or the warning. If you click on the warning, then you can scroll down and you can read what's in the warning. There's been a lot of additional details that have been placed in the warnings and the advisories, so if you want further information for your location, you can go to our website and then kind of generally click where you live to find that. And also you can read our forecast discussion. If you hover over the forecast and click on forecast discussion, then you can read the latest, more technical discussion. This is the probability of precipitation, so this kind of helps you with timing. So we're looking at, snow beginning in northwest Montana, Lookout Pass before daybreak on Friday, portions of Clearwater County Friday morning, and then best chances Friday evening. That's going to be like the climax into early Saturday morning. Then it drops off during the day Saturday and the Sunday, and then we have the Arctic frontal passage on Sunday and the Monday, and then we have a chance for snow and some of the other impacts that I described before on Tuesday and into Wednesday. The time frame of greatest uncertainty regarding precip type is Friday evening and Friday night. This weather system coming in could bring some milder air and allow for the freezing rain to occur. Some locations may actually stay more snow in the beginning, like Yak, maybe even areas outside of Libby could be snow, then changing to rain Friday night. Could be slippery in a lot of the side streets Friday evening and Friday night through Saturday morning. As far as winds, on Saturday there's a cold front moving through. It's going to bring the snow squalls with low visibility, wind gusts over 35 miles an hour. There could even be a brief period where you can't really see anything if you're driving, and so that's going to be an issue on Saturday. The strongest winds are going to be along the divide and in the mountains, wind gusts of 40 to 50 plus. The Arctic winds, the easterly winds, don't look extremely strong for the Sunday and the Monday. We're looking at 10 to 20 mile an hour, but there could be some places in the gaps, channeled locations that could see wind gusts over 30 miles an hour. And then of course you have the wind chills to go along with that, wind chills in the single digits or even single digits below 0. This is a weather story that we created yesterday, but I think it's still valid on where the potential for heavy snow is. It's like I said, I-90 corridor, and then you also have the chance for freezing rain. But this is the latest guidance for the best chance for overrunning. There's a 63% chance for west central Montana. And here are some mountain cross sections for the Friday-Saturday system. So we're going from Kalispell to Moraes Pass, Troy to Kalispell on Highway 2. And then for I-90, this is east to west from left to right, only looking at, maybe a trace to 2 inches in the lower elevations and maybe 6 to 11 inches at Lookout Pass. And then some of these areas could also see freezing rain. Here's in the Idaho side, Lolo Pass, 5 to 9 inches. And then this is US 95, Ferdinand to Riggins. The thing about Grangeville area tomorrow is that there's going to be some strong south winds, maybe gusting over 50 miles an hour at times. And that could be an issue for high-profile vehicles. Here's Hamilton to Salmon on 93, and then here's Greer to headquarters. For the medium range forecast, we're looking at leaning colder in the extended range from February 5th through February 13th, leaning above average for precipitation for that same time range. Briefing will be Sunday, February 2nd.